Do you have an image where you want to change the text, but don't understand how to do it? In this video, I will show you the easiest and most professional method of edit text in Image Photoshop. As we provide edit text in Image Photoshop service at 2Nerd Digital Agency. Many times we only have one image in JPG, PNG, or any other format that needs to be edited. But the text is not there as a separate layer. Then most people think that it is not possible to edit the text of the image. But using Photoshop, you can easily remove that text and add new text. In this tutorial, you will learn how to remove old text from an image, how to match the same font, color, size, and style, and how to add or change new text while keeping the image exactly like the original. If you search edit text in Image Photoshop, then this video is for you. Here I have shown step-by-step how to change text from image or PDF without destroying any design, background. Using this technique you can delete old text, match font and size color, change text of scanned PDF. We at 2Nerd Digital Agency provide this type of edit text in Image Photoshop service. We change text from any image very quickly and perfectly. So without further delay, contact us today to change text from any of your images. 2Nerd Digital Agency. Visit 2nerd.com or contact us directly via WhatsApp or Telegram. Thank you.